If you are trying to download Windows 11 or Windows 10 from the official website and encounter this error, what can you do to resolve the issue? I will try to download Windows 10 again. As you can see, the same error has appeared for me again. Before resolving this issue, first ensure that the time and date are set correctly. To solve this problem, I will tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then click on History. Then open History page. Now, I will click on Delete Browsing Data. I will now clear the browsing data for the last hour, and you can choose the last 24 hours. I will now click on Delete Data. Now, I will go back to the official Microsoft website and try downloading Windows 10 again. As you can see, the problem has been resolved, and I can download Windows 10 without any issues. If this method does not work, you can use incognito mode or another browser, such as Firefox or Microsoft Edge. If this method works for you, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to create more helpful tutorials.